Well folks, we're on board on our way home. It's all over, all done and dusted.
Wow.
Do we need that yellow bag?
Yeah, it's got all of our stuff in for the...
Right. Yeah, all over. We've not filmed anywhere near as much as we usually do, mainly because Faye's intercom broke. We didn't get it fixed, we tried. We nearly sorted it.
Yeah, we tried several times.
Just didn't work out. So, it is what it is. The tour itself's been amazing. Been everywhere, Switzerland, France, Germany, Andorra, Spain, Holland. We've done it all, but unfortunately technology's let us down. So what we'll do, you'll watch the videos from now on. We'll start, I'm going to start the tour with this one, us coming home. We sort of lost, because we couldn't talk to each other. I know a lot of people say that's not a bad thing, but we couldn't talk to each other, but that made it impossible to vlog because Faye couldn't hear me, I couldn't hear her.
Yeah, we didn't want to over talk with each other. Yeah,
so we just didn't bother. We just sort of put the cameras away and didn't bother. So anyway, we're here. Pride of Rotterdam, home to Hull. We've got a nice cabin, hopefully. We've got breakfast in the morning, and then it's back to the grind, innit? So
rat race.
Anyway, we'll make the best of the videos we can. Like I said, we've not got a great deal of footage. We'll do what we can. Just enjoy, give us a break, and join us now as we make our way down to Bournemouth to start for the first day of the tour.
Oh God, yeah, here we go.
There we go. Enjoy, folks. Like as I said, not much. We'll do the best we can. Enjoy it.
Well, good afternoon, folks. Jesus, tonight we've had one of them days. We took the helmets off before. I banged the intercom. Now one's not working. Faye can hear me, but I can't hear her. Now I don't know whether it's going to fix itself or because we set off in rain again, and now it's lovely. Yeah, folks, what it was. Got up this morning. I was up early doors like I am, and it was lashing down, proper lashing down. Now we didn't stop. So we give it till about 1 o'clock because we didn't have to come today. It was no big deal really, except visiting family. But yeah, we give it till 1 o'clock and it was still the same. So we were going to sack it off and just come down early in the morning, go straight to the ferry. And then it eased off a little bit, but still spitting and said, "Oh, come on, let's just get waterproofs on and we'll crack on." So it rained for probably, I don't know, what was it for? First hour?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good hour.
Yeah, a good hour it rained, and then it's brightened up and it's 25 degrees now, so it was worth it.
We've gone through all of the weather.
But we got off the motorway at Gloucester, and we've just took the back roads all the way through down Newbury bypass and just plodding down. Like I said, we've no rush to get there. We should get there just after 7 o'clock, and then we're going to park bike up, few beers tonight, and then we'll make our way out tomorrow. Well, folks, we're nearly here. Apparently we're a mile away. We've never been here before. Well, not been to Faye's cousins before, so I'm just following the nav. Could be taking us anywhere.
And I've no idea either.
You don't know now. No, I've had a quick look on Google Maps, so I'll probably recognise the street. Well, I'm saying that, I probably won't. But it's been one of those rides down here. Now, I'm not blaming it on this seat cushion. Obviously not. No, it's been one of them rides down, proper uneventful, sail through, not one jam. Oh, it's been a doddle, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been great.
We're setting off at 2:30. We thought it was going to be... I thought it was going to be miles behind again here, dead late, and look at it, it's been a breeze. Except for that hour of rain. Been alright. Well, according to Nav, it's right at the bottom of that street. You don't know his car, do you? It's not that white one, is it, down there?
No idea,
According
babe.
to the Nav, it's like one of the very last houses on this street.
Okay, number 51 we're looking for.
I know.
41.
41.
45.
48.9. Oh, it's this one here on left, isn't it? Where that last 47, 48.9. It's got to be this one here, hasn't it?
Okay.
I think. 40. 51.
Yeah, go up the drive. Goodison, yeah, it would be called Goodison, wouldn't it?
And there's his army. How we doing?
We're going in there. Do you want me to jump off? Let me jump off. Woo!
Go on, love. Well, folks, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
It's another wet start.
I know.
Another wet bloody start. Apparently the weather in Plymouth's nice, but we're just leaving Bournemouth now. So we fill the bike up. One of the intercoms not working for God knows what reason. I'm not sure if Faye's mic's broke. It never happened before. She can hear me, I can't hear her.
Actually, put it back on again.
Yeah, let's try. So we'll probably get on the ship and have a nosy about with it, but I'm not sure if a wire's come loose or something, but everything's connected. She can hear me. I've got noise in my ears from me, but that's only from the connect noise and all that, so my ear things are working. My mic must be working because you can hear me. So your earphones are working.
Yeah.
So it's just your voice on. It's got to be the microphone. It's got to be. Can't think what else it'll be. We'll get on ship anyway, then we'll have to have We'll have sorted out from there, won't we? Ugh. Oh, she's a big heavy girl today. I'm on about the bike, not fair.
Oh.
Right, so that's filled up. So we shouldn't now need fuel until Spain. I'm not sure you're supposed to go out this way, but we will do it anyway. Aye, so last night was a great night. First time we've been there. But Barry and Jackie, Faye's cousin. Well, folks, found the house at rain. 2 days now, isn't it?
I know, yeah. Some blue sky.
Probably warm, but it's dry, the main thing.
Yeah.
So GT motorcycles were 58 mile away. But it's all been roads like this up, and it's been great. I think Faye's a bit hungover though. I had to tell him.
I know. Can't keep a secret, you, can ya?
Had a brew, had a cappuccino, paid from this lovely gent. So we're going to make our way to the boat now.
Cuddles. Thank
What
you.
we're not looking at do is put this bike back up right from the position we're in here. I've not a chance in heaven. You're going to have to do that anyway.
Really?
I won't be able to stand that up when I get on it. We'll see. We'll see.
Oh, there you go.
Go on then.
Are you alright now, yeah?
Yep, we're alright now. It was a pleasure, buddy. Absolute pleasure.
Thank you.
See you later, buddy.
Bye. Have we got everything yet?
What?
Have we got everything?
Yeah.
Let's get to that. Let's get to that ferry. Mine just went on then.
Well, folks, we're at the ferry terminal now. Not really sure how this is going to play out, but I know they don't usually want you putting the cameras on. Well, folks, we're here. The boat's just backing in now. You probably won't be able to make that out at distance. Wasn't here when we got here, but
time are we due on? Hello?
It's set sail at 4:30.
4:30.
Yeah.
And the time now is 1:30.
Yeah, but you're on a couple of hours before, aren't you?
Fancy something sweet?
Wow. Something. Santander, yeah. Yeah. We're still on Cardex at the moment. We're still on the Cardex. Alright. Keep going, love. We can speed this video up. It'll look smart, won't it? Next one up, babe. Next one. Come on, babe. The room keys are not working again. No idea, love.
wearing masks, babe.
Oh,